What is up, everybody? It's your boy Zay on the Moon, back with another exciting video. Today I am going to be opening up the Battles of Legend Armageddon Devastating Dragons. This just came in today. My sister bought it for me for my birthday. Just got in. I'm excited to open it. I've never opened it before. Barely know any of the cards. I looked up a little list earlier. Still not too familiar with all of them. But I did see a lot of cards that are in here that are worth me having. So I'm happy I got it. So let's get it going. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right into it. Just got this map. I picked it up at my local Target. It's a pretty dope map. So I would highly recommend it. It's only like 15 bucks. It's like, why not? Cheaper than, a lot of other maps. Yeah. Alright, let's get right into this. Alright, so this one is 24 packs, 5 cards per pack. What's interesting about this is that it comes with 4 ultras and one secret per pack. So let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This one goes to the left. Right. Let's start with the right. Super dope card arts. A bunch of different ones over here. Box art is super dope. Alright, let's see what we can get. I'm not sure. I hope the secret's in the back. I hope I don't have to flop all of these around or something. Alright, let's see. Alright. Malefic Paradigm Dragon, Book of Moon, Intruder Alarm Yellow Alert, Applancer, I don't know a lot of these, and then Fossil Fusion. Look at that. Ooh, nice. Secret Fossil Fusion. Here's some ultras. I'm gonna sleeve up all the secrets. I may end up sleeving all of these cards because they are ultras. Can't go wrong with keeping ultras. I just don't know which ones are valuable. So, alright, so Fossil Fusion to start. What I am looking forward to is hopefully I can pull that 10,000 dragon. That'd be crazy. Mystical Beast of the Forest, Kaioki Drago, Flower Caridian Cross Sheep, and a Fossil Dragon Skullgios. Not too bad. I actually think I need Cross Sheep for one of my decks. I needed one and I have it. I gotta look at it. Oh no, yeah, I already have that card. I know that name sounds familiar. Alright, so Fossil Fusion and then a Fossil Dragon right after that. I know dinos are coming back strong right now in this new format, so who knows? They might be a good find right now. Alright, another Applancer, Psychic Wave. Oh, I think I need this card for my Jinzo deck. Alright. Obedient Schooled, Elemental Hero Shining Flare Wingman, and a Weathering Soldier. Nice. Yeah, so I thought that was very interesting. I don't think I've ever seen a booster box that comes with all ultras and a secret. So this is very cool find. Chaos Neos, not too bad. Here's the Neos Alias. Lion Emperor, Applancer, and Elemental Hero Escuridio. I don't know. I'm sorry if I butcher a lot of these names. Nice. It's pretty cool to get all these secrets. Yeah, definitely looking. I think Utopia is in here. The regular Utopia is in here as a Starlight. So that'd be super cool to pull. Jump Anchor, number 2, number 1, Mecha Phantom Beast, and Fossil Warrior Scorpion. Not too bad. Alright. Almost done with this first half. Yeah, that'd be super dope if I pulled that 10,000 Dragon. That card is crazy. Okay, now the Mystical Beast, Ra's Disciple. Topologic Zeroboros. I've never seen that one. I'm about to look in that. Numeron Wall and Numeron Calling. I'll have these cards that like go together always like back to back in this set so far. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's keep it going. Mystical Beast, another one. Boost Warrior, another Chaos Neos, Steam Synchron, and Madolche and Jelly. Madolches, I haven't seen those cards in forever. Alright. Look at that, the Chaos Emperor Dragon. Yeah, I saw he's in here as a, what you call it, a pendulum? I didn't even know he had a pendulum card. So, that'd be super crazy to pull. Just to have it. Laundry Dragon. This is a little rougher. That's funny. Reuse. Invoked. And Darkness Metal. The Dragon of the Dark Steel. Nice. 2+ effect monsters. Link 4. With the same type and attribute. Another Darkness Metal Dragon card? Not too bad. And that's him right there as we pull it. Okay, Goyo Defender, another Book of Moon, Numeron Wall, number 4 this time, and Numeron Network. What do these Numeron cards do? They're just normal. Send one Numeron normal spell card that meets activation conditions from your deck to the graveyard. This effect becomes a spell's effect when this card is when that card is activated. You can only use the effect of Numeron Network once per turn. Nice, not too bad. I have to look into Numeron monsters. Don't know too much about them. Lancer, Black Wings. Yeah, I saw a lot of Black Wing cards in here. And Glacial Beast Blizzard Wolf. Not too bad. Alright, last 2 packs. Can we get the 10,000 Dragon? Or even a Starlight? Penguin Torpedo, 100 Dragon again, Invoke Galaga, Test, and a Glacial Beast Polar Penguin, 2 Glacial Beasts back to back. I wonder if those cards would be used in a, what you call it, Ice Barriers, because they're alphas. I don't know. Alright. Another Amp Lancer. Galaxy Worm. Necros Gunnier. Okay, nice. Elemental Heroes Alias again. And Fossil Warrior Skullbone once again. Not too bad. Alright. So that goes that for the, let's see. For the first side, so we got 2 Fossil Warriors, Glacial, the Polar Penguin, Blizzard Wolf, Network, the Darkness Metal, the Madolche, Numeron Calling, Elemental Hero, Weathering Soldier, Fossil Dragon Skull, Gios, and Fossil Fusion. I wonder if I can pull a playset of, I wonder if I can pull a playset of Fossil Fusion. Alright, let's keep it going. Last half of this booster box. Alright, what can we get? Black Whirlwind. Nice. Shiny Flare Wingman again. Numeron Wall. Ooh. Dragon Buster. Destruction Sword. There we go. And then right behind it, Trishula, the Dragon of Icy Imprisonment. Nice. I knew this was in there. The Dragon Buster card just got, I think it's unlimited now. And the TCG started on Monday. So yeah, another good card, good pull. I think this is going to be starting to see a lot of use. So yeah, not too bad of a card. Hopefully I can pull some more. Let's just see what this Trishula. This is a cool one. What is this one? 3 monsters with different names. Oh, this is to be 3 monsters. Nice. Alright. Nice way to start off the left half. Alright. Super All-In, Junk Anchor, Avalancer, Lion Emperor, Numeron Calling again. Alright. Afterglow, Salamangreat, Sunlight Wolf. Nice. I'm actually looking to build a Salamangreat deck, so definitely much needed. Obedient Schooled, Coil Guardian, haven't seen that in forever, and another Blizzard Wolf. Alright. Come on, buddy. Nice. Zeoboros, Defender, Dragon, Cicada King, Armored White Bear. Big old belly. Nice. Alright. About halfway through almost. Let's keep it going. Come on, Starlight. Come on, 10,000 Dragons. Numeron Gate, Gunnier again, Gazelle, nice. Okay, now this is my second. I have one previously. This is my second one. Assault Blackwing, Soheya the Rainstorm, and Artifact Ignition. Alright, keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. Trying to get those cards. Avalancer, the new one, and Powered Crawler. Ooh. Let's have Butterfingers today. Applancer, Numeron Gate Tree, Secure Gardener, and number C1 Numeron Chaos Gate Sunya. That looks like a crazy card. Another Rodus Typo. Number S39, Utopia the Lightning. Another Gazelle. Okay, there's my playset. Right there, got all 3. And the Glacial Beast, Iceberg, Narwhal. Nice. Well, super dope to see I got my playset of Gazelle now. Okay, we got 4 packs left. Can we pull the 10,000 the Starlight Utopia, or even the Pendulum Chaos Emperor Dragon. Going to test Psychic Wave, another good one. And Fossil Warriors Coal King, and that's my third one of that. Alright, we got 2 Chaos Emperor packs left. Let's save both of those. Alright, Afterglow, Fire Flint Lady, Whirlwind, Trigger Alarm, and the Elemental Hero. A lot of repeats in this. They really do make it hard for you to get those rare cards, huh? Alright, last 2 packs. I think I'm filling the left to save. I don't know, I always do good when I do left last. So let's go with the right. Alright. Gate Dive, Penguin Torpedo, Avalanche World, Intruder Alarm, and number C92, Heart Earth Chaos Dragon. Okay, let me get a new card. Alright. Now, last pack of Destiny. What can we get? Can we get the Chaos Emperor? What do we get? Last pack of Destiny. Alright. Dryer Drake, Formud Skipper, Invoked Elysium, Malefic, and a Danger Jackalope. Not too bad. At least we ended on a new card. Not too bad of a card. Danger Jackalope. Alright, we got some pretty good pulls today. Pulled a couple of cards that I needed for a couple decks. A couple of them, like for my Jinzo deck that I've been looking at, which would be Psychic Wave. A couple of these cards, I think I got 2 of them. So if I control a machine monster, send 1 Jinzo from my hand or deck to the graveyard and inflict 600 damage to your opponent. During your main phase, except to turn this card was sent to the graveyard, you can banish this card from your graveyard, then target 1 machine monster in your graveyard. Send 1 Jinzo monster from your deck to the graveyard, and if you do, add the targeted monster to your hand. I can only use 1 of these effects, or I'm going to use this effect of Psychic Wave once per turn. So not too bad. Good way to reuse my Jinzos, especially if I have a couple in deck. I can always send my returner, get his effect if I need to bring him out. You know, especially if I have a Jinzo Machine Menace in the hand, and I have a trap in the graveyard, or my opponent has a trap in the graveyard. It'll help me get my plays off, so I can get into my XZs. So not too bad. So I'll be looking forward to that. Pulled 2 of the Gazelles, which is really good. Nice little start for my Salamangreat deck, as well as the Link Monster. What was his name? I already forgot. I'm gonna find it right now. Right here, Sunlight Wolf. It's not too bad. And then I pulled the Danger Jackalope. Pulled the Fossil Fusion, which is really good. Like I said, since dinos are coming up, as well as the Dragon Buster Destruction Sword. So not too bad of a pull. This is everything on the left side. A couple repeats, a couple new ones. Not too bad though. Alright. Well, thank you for tuning in. Not too bad pull. At least I got a bunch of secrets, so that's good. Alright, well, thank you for tuning in. Make sure to give this video a like, share, drop a comment what you think. If you've opened this, let me know what you've pulled. Let me know what you think about this product. And yeah, without further ado, it's your boy Zay on the Moon, taking off.